Hey everybody, today we are in the Tidewater community. I have two model homes to show you by ICI Homes. Now this is a little bit different. We're only going to showcase one of the models in this video, and then I'll show you another one in the other video. So be sure to subscribe and click the bell for all notifications so you don't miss out. Listen, if you're new to the channel, my name is Gregory Grant. I help buyers just like you from YouTube find the communities and the homes perfect for their lifestyle. Whether you're relocating from another state, you're buying for a first time, or you're super early in the process, reach out to me because I want to be the person to help you make this move. Y'all, it is a wonderful day the Lord has made. Let's hop in. So here we have the Brook, not to be confused with the Brooklyn. This is a part of their Pinnacle series, and there's just so much to say about this beautiful home. Now this is probably my favorite part. Right when you turn this corner, take this all in. I mean, look at how beautiful this home is. You can see the patio from the top and the one at the bottom. Absolutely gorgeous. Now with this model, of course, we just have to remember this is the model home. So there's going to be a lot of extra bells and whistles. However, the homes are starting at $673,900. I can help show you all of the differences and the things that you can add and how to save money doing it. Absolutely mind-blowing. The entire home is just flushed with natural lighting. Here on the right side, right when you walk in, you have your office space. Absolutely gorgeous, super massive. The architecture is just next level. Beautiful. In lieu of a closet, you have this sort of storage space here. They really did a good job just with the design. All right, and then let's make our way more into the home. Home is just absolutely stunning. You can see the crown molding all across the foyer in this dining nook. Absolutely beautiful. You have the decorative windows, as you can see there. And then look at this orientation, just absolutely gorgeous. I love how they kind of separate the dining from the living area, but it's still close enough to where it feels like everybody's together. We have some good storage here right under the stairs. Alright, now we're going to make our way here into this living area. Look at these oversized windows just overlooking the living room. Absolutely stunning. So much natural light in this room. You have to come and check this home out. One thing about ICI Homes that I just absolutely love is the care and attention that they put into every single home that they build. And they've even simplified the buying process. Now, I don't work for them, and I always say, work with an agent, never work with the on-site agents. But I will say the actual homes, the quality of these homes are just next level. You have this beautiful walk-in pantry. Very, very deep, very spacious. Kind of give you an idea of what you're working with here with the cabinet space. I just love the accent between the white and the brown. And you will notice that you have the soft close here. Now we're in the kitchen. And when I tell you they went all out, I mean, look at this. So for the cabinetry, you have the level 3 Aristocraft cabinetry all throughout the kitchen with soft close doors and drawers. You have the trash rollout. And then you have that beautiful backsplash, also showcasing the GE30 black ceramic electric cooktop. Absolutely gorgeous. And of course we have these beautiful quartz countertops all throughout. You have the microwave and oven combo here. I just can't get over how beautiful this island is. Now, directly across from there, you have this beautiful seating area that leads to the backyard, which we will come back to towards the end of the video. But look at what would you use this space for? For me, this kind of is like a breakfast nook kind of area, but it's spacious enough to really be anything. Now we're gonna check out the laundry area and the garage. Hey, if you find these tours helpful, share it with a friend and do give me a subscription. I would be very much encouraged by that to keep making these videos. Now here when we walk over here, we have this bathroom. Now I love where they've put this. It's really just out of the way and very private feeling. You can see they put the tile all the way up to the ceiling. Very, very nice touch there. Now this was interesting. The knob, you pull it towards you and that actually flushes the toilet. That's the first time I've ever seen that, so I thought that was impressive. Okay, we have our laundry room here. Very sizable, very nice quality. You'll find that they actually have soft close on basically every single piece of cabinetry all throughout the home. Here we have our 3-car garage. Forgive me, this is actually a 2-car garage. I realized by the end of the video that I didn't showcase the 1-car garage. So there's a 2-car garage and there's also a 1-car garage attached. We did not look at the 1 car in this video. All right, now we're gonna make our way over to the master bedroom. You can see some of that natural light trying to come in here on my camera. Look at this, absolutely beautiful. You have these 2 large windows that just let in so much light. Now we'll hop into the bathroom here. It's separated by this single barn door. Take a look at that. You have this beautiful tub there in the center, and then you have his and hers on the sides. Now this shower is massive. I'm actually going to go ahead and walk through it just to give you an idea of the space that you're working with. Now once again, you have your tile all the way up to the ceiling, so great touch there. Okay, and then you have this overhead shower. And if you notice the windows at the very top, again, just to let in even more natural light. Now I'll grab that door on our way back out, but I just wanted to show you this here. Look at this beautiful walk-in closet. Now they definitely go out of their way to make sure that every room feels bright and spacious with these windows. Men, I'll tell you what, this little spot there, that's for us. The rest of this walk-in closet is definitely for the wives. And then just to show you some of what you're working with here. Very, very nice. And again, soft close even in the closets. So far they have not missed a detail, so that's very much appreciated. In here, you just have your toilet. Good on them for separating it from the tub and the shower. So next we're gonna go ahead and make our way upstairs. Now, this seems like a really good time just to talk about the HOA and a little bit about the community. So at the time of this video, the HOA is controlled by Leland Management. Currently it is quarterly at $216. And then there is a CDD fee. And that's true for every unit in Tidewater. That's sitting at $1,565, and $400 of that is the operation and maintenance. And then there's of course the one-time capital contribution fee paid at closing, $600. Okay, so we've made our way upstairs. And what's really cool is that this is where you would find the entryway into the top floor balcony. I like how they did this here as like a little office space. And then we walk out here. Absolutely gorgeous. I could see myself enjoying just a coffee early in the morning or just enjoying a good book. Very, very nice. And then it does extend out this way. Now you can also enter in through the other bedroom here. So we're going to make our way there shortly, but first we're going to look at these rooms here on the right side. This view here is just really nice. All right, so we have this linen closet here right before we enter into the bathroom. Very nice space, quite open feeling. Again, they go all out trying to get as much light in every room as possible. Really just love those types of details. Even this column separating the toilet from the sink, it's just the little things that really go a long way. Okay, and then we have our HVAC closet here. Pretty recognizable just from this type of door. And then we enter into, this is considered bedroom number 3 technically, which we'll look at bedroom 2 right after. Pretty sizable closet. These homes really are perfect for the emerging family or family that is growing, especially sitting at 5 bedrooms. You have quite a bit of space to work with. So here we have bedroom number 2. Again, just beautiful. It's basically a copy of bedroom number 3 with about the same size closet space. This room really makes me just think, is there such thing as too much natural lighting? My answer for that is no. So if natural lighting is something that's important to you, let me know. I'll make sure that the lot that we find would be positioned in such a way where your home that you build will have a lot of natural light coming in. All right, here we have bedroom number 4. Now this is the room that actually goes out into the balcony. What's really great is how versatile these rooms are. This could be a perfect bedroom, or you could convert it into a home gym that overlooks the balcony. Great space there. I don't know if you were able to catch that, but the closet is actually a little curved at the top. All right, and now this room is conjoined to this room with the bathroom separating. You have your dual vanities here. And then just to show you, the room does lock from either side of the bathroom. So you never have to worry about privacy. And then this is another bathroom that actually has one of the tubs with the tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling. Which leads us into bedroom number 5. Now what makes this room a little unique compared to bedroom 2 and 3, it is smaller. It's about the same size as bedroom 4, but where it lacks in the size of the bedroom, you get this nice walk-in closet up here. Decently sized, this could make a good guest room for sure. All right, and then from there, we enter into our extended game room. Here we just have another HVAC closet. Yeah, just absolutely gorgeous, super large and spacious. They advertised it as a game room, but quite honestly, I mean, it's a living room. Let's just call it what it is. This is a second living room, and you can notice too at the top on the ceiling, you can actually get some built-in speakers. So really, you can make it almost like a pseudo theater room. Yeah, such a versatile and great space. Before I forget, let's check out this closet here. Very sizable, a lot of things you can put in there. All right, and let's make our way down outside. Now this backyard is so amazing. There are a lot of different options that you'll have. Again, reach out to me if you want to know more about the available lots, which lots get the most sunlight, all of the different incentives, and really truly how we can just save you the most money by getting the best price possible. And as I make my way outside, I just need to stop again and just show you this oversized window. It really just brings the entire home together. Now you can open it from either side here. Hey, really quickly, I just want to interrupt the video to say, if these homes are checking some of your boxes and you're really starting to consider making a move, reach out to me. You see, the worst thing that most buyers who are purchasing new construction do is that they'll show up to the sales office and they'll work with the on-site agent. That is suicide. Listen, they work for the builder. They make sure the builder gets the best possible deal, and most buyers lose thousands of dollars. I created this channel to help you avoid that exact problem. So reach out to me if this home or any of the other communities are starting to make sense, and we'll just have a conversation. God bless. Let's hop back in. So this area is just absolutely drop dead gorgeous. Now, of course, this is the model, so this is really more so showcasing what is available to you. You have this oversized lanai overlooking the fire pit and cooking area where your grill is situated. And this is just a gentle reminder of the fact that you need to understand the different lot sizes so you can ensure that you'd actually have the space to accommodate for something like this here. That's where an expert like me tends to come in. But just look at how amazing and beautiful this is. If you love to entertain, definitely consider this area and this home. Now let me know what you guys think. Do you believe that there should be a lanai covering this grill, or is it fine as is? Let me know what your thoughts here in the comment section. All right, this home has just been an absolute joy to view. Now, a couple of things here before we end the video. One, if you want to see the current prices of this home and some of their other models, go ahead and hop down into the description below to take a look at all of the different prices, and then I can email you separately the different incentives and specific prices for the available lots. Now, this is a two-part series, so stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. I will have the second model home up on the channel here in a few days. Hey, thank you so much for watching the video. Listen, if you have not done so already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss out on the other model home that I'll be showcasing here in a few days. Y'all, it's been an absolute pleasure. Please reach out to me if you have any questions about any lots, incentives, or how you can save the most money possible, regardless of where you are in the process of looking at new construction. It's been a wonderful time having you. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.